Hi, today we're going to use Screencastify to record a GIF. This is useful for short, repeatable tasks that you have your students do, and it's real easy to embed it into a Canvas assignment or share it anywhere you would a normal image file. So let's get started here. In today's example, I'm going to show students how to create a shareable folder in Google Drive and then submit that folder in Canvas using their new interface. So in Screencastify, click on your video from the My Videos rail on the left-hand side. Next, select the video that you want to create into a GIF and choose Export as GIF from the lower right-hand side. Through the magic of video editing, we're going to speed up this process quite a bit. And wherever you normally find your downloaded videos on your computer, that's where you're going to find this exported GIF, and it should be named the same name that you created in Screencastify. Next, insert the GIF anywhere you want students to see it, like right into the assignment after the submission instructions, or on an announcement, or anywhere you would normally share an image. Thanks for watching.